Meaning of Freedom Riders.
Freedom Riders.
Freedom Riders.
Freedom Riders.
Freedom Riders. The Freedom Riders were activists who rode interstate buses into the segregated southern United States in 1961 to challenge the non-enforcement of Supreme Court decisions that ruled segregated public buses unconstitutional. The rides were met with violent opposition, with the Freedom Riders being attacked by white supremacist mobs and arrested by police. However, their efforts helped to bring attention to the issue of segregation and contributed to the eventual desegregation of public transportation in the United States. The Freedom Riders demonstrated great courage, and their actions continue to inspire civil rights activists today.